For use Stanley Classic bottle purchased before 2002. Refer to the base of Stanley bottle for replacement part number. Replaces stopper 13 and stopper 13B. Has a single gasket found on the middle of the stopper. This replacement part is intended for pre-2002 bottles only, based from the bottle mancode. Stopper 13 stopper for 1.1 quarts and 2 quarts. Stanley Classic bottle. Top reviews from the United States. It works, which is what I wanted. There isn't much to say here. This replacement stopper fits my 20-plus-year-old Stanley thermos perfectly. Originally purchased the thermos sometime between 1987 and 1992, can't be sure anymore, haha. The old one had lost about 1/3 of the top edge where you grab it to turn, and I was getting tired of the darn thing very nearly cutting me every time I used the thermos. Bliss once again, hot coffee available without broken plastic digging into my hand.